KidsVision TV.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are drawing a Hello Kitty mermaid. Let's draw with me. First I am drawing its star and its hand. Then I am drawing its body and tail. Let's draw its eyes. Let's draw its mustache. Let's draw its cute face and its boo on her head. Now I am going to color it. Let's color with me. Red color. First I am coloring its star and boo. Yellow color. Now I am coloring in circle and nose. I am coloring in nose. Pink color. I am coloring in blue and its body and its tail. First I am coloring in blue. And I am coloring in chest. And now I am going to color its tail. Let's color with me. The last one, sea green color. I am coloring its lower body.
Subscribe us for more videos.